Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist, taking another daily look at Polygon today. As you can see on the charts, like and subscribe, leave a comment. So, just taking a look at the daily price action. Obviously, we're having retracements with Bitcoin looking bearish, as we have seen. I mean, just go look at the Bitcoin chart and it'll tell you everything you need to know about most altcoins today. To be honest, you can see Polygon here, the king of the Fibonacci levels, bouncing in between these levels all over the place here. This big false breakout that we saw of this big bear market resistance, as you can see. Finally got the breakout to the upside, huge run up to the 618 Fibonacci, came back down to test support, but actually lost support at the 050, came down below the 100 moving average, back tested, and then wow, slamming all the way down, back down inside the resistance and down to the support trend line, all the way down here at the bottom. You can see here, bounced at this support trend line multiple times, having a little bit of relief up to our 038 Fibonacci, and now looking like we're rolling over again, with Bitcoin looking a little bit bearish today, heading down. I think it's at around 60k and a half, 61k, somewhere around there, basically heading down to the bottom of its range it's been in for a while. Because of that, we've seen a lot of altcoins retracing. You can see no exception here for Polygon, back inside of its coiling motion. It's been in for a long time here, really getting into the apex of this now. Going to make a decision either way soon. It's going to be interesting to see where this goes. I do think we'll obviously be heading into a bull market for Polygon and every other crypto, but right now, back in that really big coiled position here, ready to spring to the upside in my opinion. As we can see, it's quite clear on the charts that we are essentially just waiting for that big move to the upside for Bitcoin to lead altcoins to the upside. Right now, Bitcoin retracing, so we're heading down. Polygon looking like it's getting quite bearish, and obviously the volatility recently has been absolutely wild for Polygon, really chopping around a lot with big percentile moves as well. So interesting leverage trades to be had here in my opinion, but really not that much going on. Retracing, waiting for Bitcoin to do its thing, and then we'll be seeing some more highs for Polygon in my opinion. So let me know your thoughts down below, like and subscribe.